Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to input SIM card to this phone. In order to input SIM card to this phone, prepare SIM card tray opener and take a look at the top of the phone. Right here we've got SIM card tray. Insert the SIM card tray opener, remove the tray, and now place the SIM card like this. Insert it back and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.